take a look at this UI right now. Kind of looks strange. What the heck is happening to it? But watch when I move my mouse past it. We have this crazy sort of water effect. What the heck is this? This is HTML in Canvas. This is real HTML. I can actually click in here. I can type in whatever I want, and everything just works as it normally would. So this is HTML in Canvas, and what it means is in Canvas element, which means that you can then apply things like shader effects. So I'm going to show you how I created this one with the help of Claude Code. But first, let me show you some of these other really sick examples. So this demo here is what actually inspired me for the one that you just saw. This one is like an ice demo. And the ice just keeps coming back and hiding the UI. Obviously, it's terrible UX, but that was the point. And I thought to myself, it'd be really cool to do like a water-based effect where it does kind of the same similar type of situation. Check this one out. This one has been making the rounds, like 4,200 freaking views. And a lot of these examples I'm showing, I'm gonna link in the description here. You can actually try it live as long as you enable the flag in the Chrome browser. Now that's a Chrome flag, so that means this stuff isn't something that you do production yet. You actually have to enable it. It's a future feature. You have to enable it, and once you do, and I'll show instructions in the description, you can actually try this out on your own. And you can see it has all these settings options and stuff here. I'll get into why you would want to have settings because it helps you fine tune it and then just bake it into your app. But this is really cool. If you click it, it actually creates a transition. So we're going to see in the future here, transitions, crazy, insanely, I guess you could say just creative transitions that might be relevant based on the context of the site or app or whatever is happening. Let's check out another one. This one is super cool. So you click this verify, and this little hover effect, or not a hover effect, but this kind of glow just emits from the UI. Very cool. How about this one? HTML in Canvas. This one has also 2,000 likes here. Yeah, this is insane. So, you know, 3JS can be worked in order to support HTML in Canvas as well. Let's check out this one. Take a look at this. This is another one of the kind of like a splitting of, you know, the grid or whatever situations. It's hard to describe exactly what's happening here. This one you could actually click on and try for yourself. It's kind of like a page peel away effect. So if you click on here, left click drag, very, very, very cool. So for this effect that you see here, I have my own control setting, and these controls allow me to fine tune the various elements and aspects of the actual effect. And the reason you would want to do that is so that instead of going back and forth and telling Claude Code or whoever you're building, obviously you're probably not building this stuff by hand anymore. You can just go ahead and have these settings here and hit save settings down at the bottom, and then it just remembers, and then you could hide this control panel, and now it becomes, you know, this easy way to refine your particular HTML and Canvas effect. Now let me show you some of the early attempts. You are not going to one-shot something like this likely. You're gonna have to play around with it a lot. And let me actually just show you the length of the conversation that I had with Claude Code. So yeah, it's actually, there's not enough. So as you can see, yeah, there's a lot of code shown right here, but it's probably about a total about 15 different prompts where I was asking it to fix things, change things, add things, remove things. The early attempts of what it created was just kind of garbage. So you have to anticipate that you're not going to one shot. You have to sit there and take time to try to develop this idea of obvious of sorts. But this, in my opinion, is the future of where we're going to see a lot of projects going, especially as, you know, we get more powerful GPUs that can easily handle this type of stuff. Obviously, at this point in time, we have a lot of slow devices, especially on mobile. You don't want to start integrating this stuff, especially once it officially releases. You don't want to integrate this stuff anyways, except for just as a matter of like a portfolio demo of the cool things you can do. But outside of this, very, very cool. This is something that I wish would have been a thing. I remember like years ago, I was like, man, it would be really cool to put HTML inside of the Canvas element. And now we can, and now we will be able to in the near future. So super sick stuff. If you have any examples that you created, let me know in the comments. I will see you all very soon, and goodbye.